Ready to ditch the bulky wallet and embrace the future of payments? Today, we're diving into setting up and using Apple Pay in Canada, making your shopping experience smoother and more secure than ever before. First, grab your iPhone or iPad and open the Wallet app. It's the one that looks like a card on a white background. Once you're in the Wallet app, look for the plus sign, usually in the top right corner, or sometimes a button that says Add Card. Tap it. Now, you have a couple of options. You can manually enter your card details, or use the camera to scan the card. Just position your card within the frame on the screen, and the app will automatically grab the information. Make sure you have plenty of light. If scanning doesn't work, no worries. Just tap enter card details manually and type in your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Apple Pay will then contact your bank or card issuer to verify your information. This is a security measure to make sure everything is legit. You will see the card issuer logo on your phone. You will likely need to accept the terms and conditions. Scroll through, read them carefully, give it a skim, and then tap agree. Once verified, your card is activated. You'll see a confirmation message on your screen. Now, let's talk about using it. When you are at a participating retailer, look for the contactless payment symbol to pay with your iPhone. Double-click the side button, the same button you use to wake up your phone. This will activate Apple Pay. Use Face ID or enter your passcode to authenticate. Once verified, hold your iPhone near the payment terminal. You'll see a checkmark and hear a beep, confirming the payment has gone through. The process is similar with your Apple Watch. Just double-click the side button and hold your watch near the terminal. And that's it. You've successfully used Apple Pay. Enjoy the convenience and security of contactless payments in Canada.